Hi, my name is Edgar, and this is problem number 29 on page 237, section 4.4, which is about prove triangle congruent by SSS. Problem 29 says, to create a baseball field, start by placing home plate, then place second base 127 feet, 3 3/8 inches from home plate. Then you can find first base using two tape measures. Stretch one from second base toward first base, and the other from home plate toward first base. The point where the two tape measures cross at the 90-foot mark is first base. You can find third base in a similar manner. Explain how and why this process will always work. Home plate of first base is 90 feet. First base to second base is also another 90 feet. Home plate to second base is 127 feet and 3 3/8 inches. We know that home plate to second base is 127 feet and 3 3/8 inches by Pythagorean theorem. So we get both legs, which are 90, and we square it to get 8,100, and we add those two to get 16,200, and we square it to get 127 and some numbers, right? And to get the 3 3/8, we have to use unit conversions. So we get the answer 127 and the rest, and we subtract the 127 because it's feet. We only want these numbers, so we multiply it by 12 to get 3.35. We subtract 3 to get 0.35 inches, and 3/8 equals 0.375. So they're approximately close to each other. That's how we know that. Home plate of second base is 127 feet, 3 3/8 inches. So back to the problem, it says, explain how and why this process will always work, that you could find third base in a similar manner. We could find it in a similar manner by postulate number 19, side, 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 congruence postulate. If three sides of one triangle congruent to three sides of a second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So home plate is first base is 90 feet, so a tick mark of congruence, and then home plate at third base they're congruent. Third base is second base, they're congruent. First base to second base are congruent. And home plate and second base are congruent by the reflexive property. And that's how we can prove, then that's how we find third base in a similar manner.